If Tinkercad is giving you an import error, freezing, or refusing to load your 3D file, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons it happens and exactly how to fix it step by step. Whether you're importing an STL, OBJ, or SVG, these simple checks can save you a ton of time and frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, check your file size and file format. Tinkercad is great for simple 3D designs, but it does have limits. If you're importing an STL or OBJ file, keep it under 25 megabytes. If you're importing an SVG file, make sure it stays under 1 megabyte. Bigger files can cause the browser to slow down, freeze, or fail completely during import. Just as important, confirm that your file is actually in a supported format. Tinkercad supports files like .stl, .obj, and .svg. It does not support formats like .step or .f3d, so if your model comes from professional CAD software, you may need to export it into a compatible format first. Tinkercad runs inside your browser, so if the file contains too much data for the browser to handle, it may automatically reject it or stop responding. Next, if the file is technically supported but still won't import, you may need to simplify the geometry. This is especially important for models created from 3D scans or complex CAD designs. These files often contain way too many polygons for Tinkercad to handle smoothly. To fix that, open the model in a program like Blender or Mesh Mixer and use a decimate or reduce tool. Your goal is to bring the triangle count below 300,000. Lowering the polygon count makes the file much easier for Tinkercad to calculate and render. If your model is very large in real-world size, you can also scale it down before importing. In the Tinkercad import window, try setting the scale to 10% before you click Import. This can help the browser process the file more easily. Now let's move on to mesh repair, because a damaged mesh is another very common cause of Tinkercad import errors. If your model has holes, missing faces, or broken surfaces, Tinkercad may not know what part is solid and what part is empty. That confusion can cause the import to fail. The easiest way to fix this is to repair the mesh in Mesh Mixer or use an online mesh repair tool. In Mesh Mixer, the inspector tool can help you find holes and automatically patch them. You also want to check for self-intersecting faces, flipped normals, and overlapping geometry. These problems can confuse the 3D engine and make the model unreadable. Ideally, your model should be watertight, also known as manifold, before you bring it into Tinkercad. If the file still won't import after checking the model itself, the issue may be your browser or system settings. One of the most useful fixes is turning on hardware acceleration. Go into your browser settings and make sure Use Hardware Acceleration when available is turned on. Tinkercad uses your computer's graphics system through WebGL to help with import and rendering, so if hardware acceleration is disabled, the process may fail or become unstable. Another great troubleshooting step is to try Incognito mode or a private window. This helps you test whether extensions like ad blocks, script blockers, or privacy tools are interfering with the upload. Sometimes a browser extension can stop the import before it even finishes. If Incognito works, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the problem. So if you remember nothing else, remember this simple fix order. Check the file size and format, simplify the geometry, repair the mesh, and then test your browser settings. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the Tinkercad import errors problem. If this video helped you fix your Tinkercad error importing problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific file type or model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.